Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact a Microsoft Service Agent. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up a web page, and in Google, I'm going to type in Microsoft Service Agent, and then I'm going to hit enter. Now this will bring me to Google search results, so skip past the sponsored results, and then you want to click onto contact us, Microsoft support. So it'll be support.microsoft.com. This is the official website of Microsoft. So give that a few moments to load. So from here, make sure to sign in on the top right hand corner. And then once you're signed in, they'll be able to help you get help and support faster. And then from there, select the product you need help with. So we'll show you self-help options first. Additional help is available if you need it, including live chat with a Microsoft specialist. And a Microsoft specialist is basically a Microsoft Service Agent. It's the same thing. So if you've got problems with Microsoft 365, click there. Windows, click here. Advertising here, etc. So, and you can also expand a list of products as well. So if you need help with other things, but if you want help with a Service Agent, click on Microsoft 365 and now choose Get Home Support or Business. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to do Get Home Support here. That's going to redirect us to another page. So we're here to help. Now put in what you need to ask the service agent. But what I want to do, I just want to speak to a human. So I'm just going to click on I want to speak to a human. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on Get Help. And then as you see, it's got to contact Microsoft support. Please select contact support below. I really hate it how these companies make it so hard to contact a live rep. Alright, so now we're on this page to tell us a little more about your problem. So once you selected your product or service, we may ask you to make a few more selections so we can get you the right support. So what you want to do is select your product or service. So it's going to give a drop down. So what I'm going to do is click on Microsoft 365 and category. So I want to choose technical support. So choose which best describes your situation. And here we go, we can finally chat with a support agent in your web browser. So go ahead and click onto that link there. And then from here, you want to confirm your email, click on confirm, and now it's creating a request. Now this is going to redirect us to another web page here. All right, and it will say welcome to live chat support. So go ahead and speak to your service agent here. I'm just going to close this because I don't need to talk to them and waste their time. I'm just doing this for a demonstration of how to do this. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.